Good news, the spider has returned. Despite our door sign, he has actually returned. And here he is. It's a windy day, so he's struggling a little bit. He's been keeping his web clean, removing debris, which is always good. Another piece of debris. Ooh. He knows that that's not food. It's a bit windy. You should actually work that one out and discard it. Should chuck it out of the web. Yep. He's got rid of it. Excellent. Ooh. Something else in. Let's see if it gets that. Yep. That's dinner. So at last it's got some dinner. Oh, it's chucked it out. Oh. Odd. Let's see if it gets that one. No, I don't think it needs it. I don't think it's gonna get that one. Not interested. Tell a lie, it's working it out. Let's see if it likes that. It is edible. Oh, not interested. Never mind. Okay, spider, I'll leave you well alone. I hope you get some food soon. Right, so being kind, so I'm going to leave the spider in place. Obviously somebody's going to ruin the web at some point. Okay, I'll try and do the occasional update according to if there's anything new that's happened. Okay, thanks for viewing, like and subscribe for details, more details. Thank you.